Can't find the settings icon on your Android phone? Don't worry, it's usually just hidden, not deleted. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to restore the missing settings icon in just a few easy steps. Start by pressing and holding an empty area on your home screen for a couple of seconds. A menu will appear at the bottom of the screen. Tap Home Screen Settings or the Settings gear icon, depending on your Android device and launcher. Next, look for an option called Hide Apps or Hide Apps on Home and App screens. Tap on it to view the list of apps that are currently hidden from your app drawer. Scroll through the list and check if the Settings app is selected. If it is, simply deselect the Settings app to remove it from the hidden apps list. After that, tap Done, Apply, or Save to confirm the changes. Your phone will update the app drawer and the settings icon should appear again automatically. If you still can't find the icon, try restarting your phone. You can also use the search feature in the app drawer by typing Settings to make sure the app is still installed and working. And that's it. Your Android settings icon should now be visible again on your app drawer or home screen, making it easy to access all your device settings whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Android tutorials.